my next video, I'd like to do one on the feature called Extended Unlock. And there's some controversy on this that it's not as secure and you shouldn't do it and blah, blah, blah. It's very secure. It's encrypted. And what it is, just to give a background first, your phone will unlock itself if you have your watch on. Of course, it's got to be a Samsung device. Or I believe, something like if you have a tablet around your phone. If you have one device around another device, it'll unlock that device without having to put anything in. So, you've already done it on one device. So it's very secure, and let's just dive right in, and you can take the option and be the judge of how secure this really is. I'm sure they wouldn't put this on here if it wasn't secure. It's just I've heard a few keyboard warriors saying it's not as secure, and I'm sure it's just fine. So anyway, let's dive in. So go into your settings, and this is on a Samsung S25 Ultra with One UI 8 Beta 1. This feature goes back to S24. I had it then, I remember, probably on the 23, 22. So it's been on a lot of different Samsung Android devices. So I don't think you need the newest and latest for this. So anyway, let's scroll down to lock screen and AOD. And here it is right here, Extend Unlock. So I have to put my password in, and it's a pattern. And if you've noticed, I also set it up so you can't see the pattern. That's another video. So it's kind of a neat feature where people can't see your pattern unless they actually are physically watching it. There's no residual line being drawn as you do it. So again, that's another video. But let's discuss this. What's Extend Unlock? Extend Unlock keeps this device unlocked when it's with you. Extend Unlock can recognize when you're holding the device, you're near home or another trusted place, or your watch or another trusted device is nearby. Let's learn about more. I don't want to read all this. Formerly Smart Lock. You're using a custom Android version. The steps won't work. Let your phone stay unlocked, so it'll stay unlocked. Manually lock when the extended lock is on. Of course, you push the power button to lock it. You can turn it off again with how we're going to do this. So this is nothing really special here. So let's go to Got It. And this is the important part here. So Extend Unlock. Keep this device unlocked while it's on you at specific places that you trust or near your trusted devices. I don't like to have it at a place just in case I get up, walk away, there's somebody there, they get it. I do like to use my watch though. If I'm wearing my watch, it's trusted then, so I like to do it with a device instead of at a location. So we're going to do on body detection, and we're going to tap it. And keep in mind, on body detection can't distinguish between you and someone else. If someone takes your device while it's been unlocked, they might be able to access it. That's fine. You're not going to get my watch though and my device, so we'll go back. So now it's on, stays unlocked while it's on you. So we'll go back, we'll go here at the top. So now when we turn it on, as usual, it turned my recording off actually when I restarted it. So I wanted to add this. It says, after you unlock the device, it stays unlocked while it's in motion, like when you're walking with it. This device will stay unlocked for up to 4 hours or until you put it down. And you can learn more about that and basic same thing that I went and looked at in the beginning. So that's a quick way to keep your device in a extended, they used to call it extended, they just call it extend unlock now, but it's nice because it's quick. It's not always locked all the single time, especially if it's with you and you're moving whatever, or trusted places. You can change trusted places. So it's just a quick way to keep your device safe, but yet still unlocked and ready to go. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.